How to fix Roblox private servers not loading on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get your private servers working again. First, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one performs better than the other. After that, go to your home screen and long press on the Roblox app icon and tap App Info. From there, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary data that may be preventing private servers from loading. At this point, go back to App Info and tap on Permissions and make sure nothing is restricted that could be affecting the app's ability to connect properly. In the next step, go back to App Info and tap on Battery and set it to Unrestricted so Roblox can run without any background limitations. Following this, open the Play Store and search for Roblox. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for it to finish before trying again. Once done, open Roblox and try accessing the private server again to see if it loads properly now. From here, if it's still not working, go to Settings on your device and tap on Connections, then tap on Mobile Networks, and make sure the network mode is set to LTE or 5G preferred for the most stable connection. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device and try loading the private server one more time. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Roblox private servers not loading on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.